Hey, cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We have a summer event for Mars Auctions, and we're gonna get into some ag, some door stops, some molds and such, so stay tuned for more. Cheers from Ed. All right, as promised, we've got some ag coming up in summer. And if you didn't know, this is cast iron. This is McCormick Deering style vehicle, horse-drawn, done by Arcade Toys. And you can see the little bit of the arcade symbol right here. McCormick Deering is embossed. And then it's got, I think it's a manure spreader. So that's a great toy, actually. And then you got a larger size Kenton right around 1940 on the dot, up to maybe 1950, where they continued after the war. And this is a really, how should I put it? High production, popular truck because of the truck bed. We're gonna pair that with a stake truck, but the truck is pretty large. And in our ag event, another McCormick Deering, we're gonna hit some tractors too. We're gonna hit this McCormick Deering as well as Baby Oliver, Big Oliver, and interesting bits and pieces. It's not something you're used to. It is a petrified sand mold by J.E. Stevens. It was found in Connecticut. And this is a choice piece. It's a cap gun. Cap gun sand mold, and the way Stevens did it is they created brass patterns, most likely they imprinted it, they petrified the sand, and then they put these giant wall hanger hooks, and it is put together with a bunch of boxed pieces of wood, and there'd be a top and bottom. Here's a larger cap gun version, where you can see in the inclusions, you can barely read, but there's going to be the brand of that cap gun. So those are coming up over summer, in addition to fun door stops and large iron art. We're going to have some marbles.
Don't lose your marbles, because you get to keep them.
We've got sorted marbles. It's kind of a grab bag. It's going to be fun for people. Not necessarily the connoisseur marbles, but hey, good entry point. They're very decorative, and surprisingly, some of the modern marbles have come up in value. Airplanes and dirigibles. We're going to have a gigantic Strauss Zeppelin. Strauss was the predecessor of Marx. You can see the Marx flavor built into this toy. They tell you about it. And behind it's going to be a pretty rare, I think it's an aluminum. No, it's sheet steel airplane. Tip-top toy. For summer, we don't want to miss out on our favorite food group, which is airplanes. It's my aeroplane. Airplane. Marx, Wyandotte, so forth. Wyandotte did a real nice Yankee clipper. This is a smaller version. It's got the oft missing propellers. Wyandotte did a bomber right around the beginning of World War II. They took a little bit of liberty. They thought it might be a pusher. It's not a pusher prop in the real deal. I think this might have been a prototype for the Mitchell. Neat toy. Very impressionistic of what a bomber would be. How about a gyrocopter? Got the airplane, you got the copter, you got some of each. I believe the vertical takeoff was the big one. People thought that would be great. You cut down on a runway. and then you get the airplane to take over. I think there's just too much drag to make it go quick, though. More steel trucks. Nice, 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 nice. Ooh, gas tanker hidden back there. Some more cast iron. Ugly. Reindeer and Santa. Finally, we've got some, you can't tell, but Chrysler Airflows. We've got some assorted airplanes coming up. We're going to have some Publi car carriers and trucks. And Fagials, so stay tuned for more. Cheers from Ed. I hope you have an excellent week, weekend, day ahead, and keep us in mind for great iron. I know these are humble, but we like humble iron. We like mint iron. We have fun. So contact me at toys@AntiqueToys.com. Keep us in mind for steel. And we are even into firearms, militaria, and other assorted collectibles. So have a great day. Cheers from Ed.